Colonizing Mars will be difficult. It will need many areas of expertise. There are many things we will have to consider, like air quality, temperature, gravity, atmosphere, expense, water, and food. I'm looking forward to seeing my fellow researchers' projects. I have done my project on sustainable food production. Our colony will mostly be vegetarian and pescatarian. The word pescatarian comes from the Italian word pesce and the English word vegetarian, and so it means someone who eats fish but no other meat. To raise our fish, we will need to create a dome to put over the pond to protect the fish. We will need to have oxygen tanks in these domes, as fish need oxygen as well. There are some high-protein fish that will be perfect for our colony and the harsh conditions we will face. These fish are salmon, snapper, and anchovies. The fish will be provided with fish food until it runs out, and then they will eat leftovers. We will be releasing them into the soon-to-be-melted ice ponds. There they will reproduce, and we will use them for food once the population grows. We will take them over on our rockets as eggs, which will be lighter to save fuel and energy. Bringing chickens to Mars will serve two important purposes: meat and eggs. We will bring them as chicks and house them in a secure dome that withstands scratches and the occasional solar flares. Chickens need 12 to 14 hours of light, so we can put artificial light in their dome to keep them healthy, because the average healthy chicken lays around 300 eggs per year. I mean, think about that. If you had 20 chickens, that means almost 20 eggs each day. At the beginning, chickens will be provided chicken feed until it runs out, and at that point they will eat human food scraps and leftovers. The colony will be a mostly vegetarian and pescatarian society, except for the occasional chicken meat. The Martian soil has a fine, powdery, and of course red dust that covers the surface of the planet. Under that is the soil, which is made up of volcanic basalt rock. The soil holds many nutrients, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, even though it is considered toxic due to many perchlorate compounds which contain chlorine. Thankfully, some plants are able to grow in the soil, such as tomato, rye, radish, pea, leek, spinach, cress, quinoa, chives, and potatoes. As you can see, we will grow them in small greenhouses like such. To water the plants, we will melt the ice ponds that already exist on Mars instead of wasting fuel to bring water on our rockets. To grow the plants, we will need to use the greenhouse effect to keep the plants from freezing. We will also need to use artificial light in our greenhouses to photosynthesize the plants. As fertilizer, we can use the chickens as waste to keep the plants healthy and strong. Earthworms will be helpful because they help the water to flow through the soil and get to the plants. They have also been proven to thrive in Martian soil. Food is one important problem out of many. I know we have all worked hard on our research. Colonizing Mars will be hard, but we have found solutions to all of our problems.